Jom. Okey, semua nampak Kahoot? So untuk yang ni boleh letak nama apa-apa bebas lah, nama yang you suka. Cuba masuk silakan. Jom kita try. Boleh masuk? Okey, Lina Afrika. Okey, 3 dah masuk. Semua sekali 7 kan? Semua sekali ada berapa orang? 7. Ada 7. Ada yang tak dapat join hari ni? Ada 5, lagi 2. Aisyah 2, 4, 5, lagi 1. Sekejap saya tengok. Dia yang tak dapat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. Seorang lagi tak join ni. Nisha. Nisha tak join. Saya call dia sekejap. Nisha ambil marketing ya? You all ada ambil marketing tak? Nisha ni satu batch ya? Ada ambil marketing? Dia ada
marketing last sem.
Macam mana? Tak clear suara. Buat dekat kelas.
Marketing last sem korang ambil.
Oh, sebab Nisha ni dia kata dia ada marketing kelas yang last week tu. This week dia ada tak? Kelas pagi tadi ke kelas malam dia ada?
Tak sure tapi memang jadual dia lain dari kita orang.
Oh, dia ambil dia ni batch mana ni? Maksudnya dia bukan batch we all ya?
Dia ada kena repeat subjek sir.
Okey. So mungkin subjek tu yang dia ambil tu ni clash dengan subjek dengan timetable kita ni. Okay. Tak apa, jom. Okey. Dah kurang satu. Ada 4 je. Cuma masuk semua. Dua, 4, 5, 1 je. 2, 4, 5. Seorang lagi. Internet tak okey ke? 2, 4, 6. Okey, 2, 4, 6. Okey, dah ya. Okey, kita try 10 soalan dulu. Kita punya kahut yang pertama ni. Saya lupa dah 20 saat ataupun 30 saat satu soalan. Okey, this one kita try. Kita tengok macam mana dia punya ni ya. Okey, jom start. Okey, dah ready ya? Okay, question 1. Concerned with reporting of performance result and financial positions of business. Refer to. It is referring to. Okey, ada 4 orang sahaja jawab. Lagi 2 tak dapat nak jawab. Okey, soalan 1 ni financial accounting, concerned with reporting of performance result and financial position. Bila kita cerita pasal performance result and financial position ni, kita akan relate dengan SOPL dengan SOFP, statement of profit or loss dan dengan statement of financial position. Okey, ini soalan 1. Ada 3 sahaja yang betul. Okey, ada 5 sahaja. Mana seorang lagi? Boleh join tak seorang lagi ni? Boleh masuk tak? Okey, next. Kita try soalan nombor 2. Below are the objective of financial accounting except objective of financial accounting. Okay. Yang mana bukan is fixation of selling price. Kita nak fixkan selling price ni, kita kena guna costing. Okay, efficient use of resources, effective rational decision making, portray the liquidity position, last sekali fixation of selling price. So kita nak fixkan selling price ni, kita guna financial accounting. Number 2, portray the liquidity position ni biasanya kita akan tengok dekat statement of financial position. Sama ada kita punya aset ni, sama ada kita ada banyak debt ataupun kita ada banyak aset. Mana kita nak tengok, boleh tak aset tu dicairkan dengan cepat. This one is liquidity position kita. Okey, 3 sahaja yang betul. Seorang tak ada, keluar dari carta ni. Okey, soalan 3. Below are the objective of cost accounting block. Except seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, below are the objective of cost accounting except determine the performance of the company. This one is kita akan tengok dekat statement of profit or loss. Okay, determine the product cost, costing lah. Determine the profit per unit, keuntungan untung satu unit you punya product, and then determine the selling price. Yang ni memang jawapan definitely determine the performance of the company, kecuali. So seorang salah, dia jawab determine the profit per unit. So that one is objective of cost accounting. So Anissa has a strict with 3 correct answer in a row. Tapi Dina Afikah masih mendahului. Okay, next question. Which of the standard that cost accounting need to follow? Which of the standard that cost accounting what standard that we need to follow? for cost accounting. Okay, which of the standard that cost accounting need to follow? None. So kita tak follow apa-apa standard for cost accounting. So all correct, 6. 6 of you. Bina Afrika 4 betul 4 straight. Okay, next. Purpose of accounting information for investor. Is investor pelabur. Okay, all correct to make decision on investment because investor the intention is to invest in the company. So kenapa dia nak guna maklumat perakaunan kita, maklumat account kita ialah untuk dia make decision is either to invest ataupun tidak. Saya hairan ni kenapa tadi ada 6 orang jawab tapi result dia ada 5 sahaja. Kita apa nanti kita tengok next tu nanti. Oh, dia top 5 saja. Nombor 6 tak masuk dalam cara. Okay, next. Question number 6. Cost accounting record all these data except cost accounting data ada S kat situ. All these data. Okay, competitor data, historical, current, budgeted data, forecasted data, semua kita guna untuk cost accounting. Kita nak buat analisis kan. So competitor data ni tak perlu sebab kita buat internal data sahaja. Kalau competitor tu nanti kita akan belajar bila degree nanti. Okay, still Dina lead this quiz. Okay, next question 7. Below are the internal uses of accounting information except which one is not the external user of accounting information? Two, one. Okay. Below are the external, orang luar ya, kecuali yang dalam. Cost controller ni biasa dia kerja dalam company. Lender ni macam lender ni dia lebih kurang dia satu group dengan banker, satu group dengan borrower. Vendor, customer semua external. Cost controller is internal. Okay. Still Dina, lead. Okay, question number 7, 8. Number 8. All these are government agencies under external user except eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all these are government agencies under external user. Kecuali external government agency. Kecuali. Okay. Inland Revenue Board, IRB, Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri, Government Agency, Security Commission, Government Agency, SSM pun Government Agency. Malaysia Institute of Accountant ni dia macam institute, still government juga tapi dia bukan agensi kerajaan yang direct dengan kerajaan. Okay. 4, ada orang jawab Companies Commission of Malaysia, Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, itu memang kerajaan lah, agensi kerajaan. Okay. Still Dina, lead. Okay, question number 9. All these are characteristic of useful accounting information except ini yang kita follow buku lah. Ada dalam buku. Okay. Nanti check balik. Accurate ni ada tak dalam yang kita belajar? Jawapan dia ialah accurate, reliable, understandable, relevant. Baik, saya buka contoh. Yang ni dalam topik panjang. Characteristic of useful counting information. Takut ada tersalah. Characteristic. User. Oh, tak ada. Oh, ya, tak belajar. Tak ya. Di dalam file. Relevant, materiality, faithful comparability, useful contribution. Okay. So yang tak ada ialah accurate dalam nota kita. Reliable, understandable, relevant ada, accurate tak ada. Dia guna perkataan, boleh guna perkataan verifiable ataupun sini dia boleh guna perkataan verifiable. Understandable, verifiable, timeliness, comparability, comparable, relevant and materiality. Okay, dia tak ada accurate kat sini. Okay, next, last. Three major element of cost except dia 20 seconds sahaja. Three major element of cost except which one? Okay, inventory cost. Okay, so this is the result. Dalilah win of this Kahoot 1. Bukan dalilah. Silver and gold goes to Dina Afrika. So run-up Afrika dengan nombor 4 ni. Nombor 6 saya tak sure. Okay, saya buat dulu. Semua sudah berubah. Okay, so ready dengan presentation dah? Next. Oh, ini yang difficult. Useful report. Nanti saya akan share report ni dalam YouTube ni. Download report. Okay, ready dengan presentation? Okay, nanti hujung kelas nanti kita akan buat sekali lagi test. Final score. Dina 8, jawab 8 betul, Anis 8, dan 7, Afrika 4, Aisyah. Aisyah lebih besar. File, CS, SPC. Okay, nanti you awal tengok semua lah. Kita punya. So, simple dulu. Okay, saya masuk kat sini. Ini dia punya result. Okay, jom. Kita start dengan presentation dulu. Okay. So saya akan bagi markah presentation dengan slide sekali. Slide nanti masuk dalam G Drive ya semua. Okey, jom kita start dengan siapa? Ke saya pick nama. Okey, ada yang volunteer? Okey. Kalau tak ada, kita start dengan Anis dulu. Anis yang pertama. Jom Anis.
Saya rasa.
Okey. Jangan lupa hari ni submit dia punya quiz satu dekat G Drive. Dia punya slide presentation dengan dia punya video. Video nanti share link ya. Dia punya YouTube video tu share link dekat dalam WhatsApp group. Video tu dia masuk dalam G Drive.
Sir nak tanya, yang Google Drive tu
Ya.
dia ada access. Maksudnya saya kena approve access tu.
Tak payah saya rasa. Contoh mana tu? Oh, sorry. Sekejap. Reload to display presentation. Okay, you nak present dulu ya? Saya rasa tak perlu rasanya. Sebab siapa-siapa yang ada link tu, dia boleh masukkan dalam tu terus.
Tapi tadi saya kena gak sir.
Sir, saya pun kena.
Tanpa permission. Ha? Oh, sedap. Sekejap, saya cuba share semula link ni. Okay, sekejap. Tak apa, nanti saya tunjuk. Kita buat presentation yang pertama. Sebab kita ada 6 presentation hari ini untuk yang first presentation. Okay, jom.
Sir, seorang satu satu je kan sir?
Satu sahaja, 5 minit je. Satu je soalan. Sebab kita nak warm up dulu ni. Ini baru nak warm up.
Okay, so untuk presentation, saya pilih question 1. Okay, untuk question A, define what is financial accounting. Financial accounting is a part of accounting that involves the process of recording, summarizing, and reporting a wide range of transactions resulting from business operation throughout time. Untuk B lah, define what is cost accounting. Cost accounting is a type of managerial accounting that tries to capture a company's entire cost of production by measuring both variable and fixed costs, such as leasing expense. Okay, untuk C, provide 4 differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. For financial accounting, it is to determine the volume of earning and financial position. Meanwhile, for cost accounting, it is to ascertain the cost and control. The second one is for recording of data. It uses past and present figure. For cost accounting, recording of data, it more focus on the projection of figures for future. The third one is reports and statement are prepared as and when required. Meanwhile, for cost accounting, it is prepared for usually for a year.
Okay. Anis, cuba you tengok balik nanti yang financial accounting and cost accounting ni yang bawah sekali, the last one tu. Financial accounting report and statement are prepared as and when required. You terbalik, you tertukar ke yang bawah ni?
Oh,
Basically,
lah
financial accounting usually prepared financial accounting, audited financial statement, full set of account. We punya financial accounting tu biasanya kita prepare setahun sekali. Usually for a year. Yang tu macam financial accounting.
Saya terbalik.
Okay. So nanti you baiki sebelum masuk dekat YouTube.
Okay, sir.
Okay, jom. Okay, jom. Continue.
Saya buat question.
Tadi dah habis dah belum? Tadi dia baru slide nombor berapa tadi? Tak sampai slide nombor 8.
Dah sir, yang tu question 2. Dah masuk question 2.
Okay. Jap, saya tak bagi makan lagi.
Oh,
Okay, mari saya tengok.
Senang
Okay,
saya share balik ke?
Nak share balik.
Okay, sekejap
Okay, siapa ada soalan? Siapa yang nak tanya soalan, saya akan bagi 1 markah bonus. Untuk 1 soalan. You sebut nama and then you tanya soalan. Okay, jom kita buka slide tadi. Ada soalan, ada markah. Ada lagu, ada lagi. Okay, ni sementara saya buat evaluation ya. Okay, presentation ni, slide ni saya bagi markah 5. Maximum. Okay, go through. Saya klik next. Yes. Okay, mulai lain kita next. Question 2 pula. So you punya slide presentation ni sebagai 3.5, 3.4 over 5. And then you punya presentation saya bagi 3.5 over 5 juga. So in total you dapat 7 over 10. Okay, ni markah you lah. Anis markah you 7 per 10. Untuk first time. Okay. Ada soalan tak daripada floor? Daripada ni ada soalan, any question to Anis? Tak ada ya? Okay. Thank you Anis. Now we go to next presenter.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okay, you are welcome. Anis, you punya mark, you punya score is 7 out of 10.
Alright, thank you sir.
First time kan, tak apa, nanti kita ada lagi 6 presentation. Dan kita akan tengok yang mana the best presentation. Okay, next.
Saya nampak ke sir?
Boleh? Ya. Soalan?
Question 2.
Tadi saya dengar ada suara wanita. Aisyah ke nak tanya?
Saya nak present selepas fight.
Okay. Okay, jom Fat.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Present question 2. Provide 4 difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. Okay, the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting is information type. For financial accounting, is a record use information which are in the monetary terms, while for cost accounting, it's record the information related to material, labor and overhead, which are used in the production process. Next, users. Users of information provided by the financial accounting are internal and external parties like creditors, shareholders, customer and extra. While information provided by the cost accounting is used only by the internal management of the all information provided by the cost accounting is used only by the internal management of the organization, like employees, directors, managers, supervisor. Oh, sorry, saya salah. Saya salah.
Salah. Salah soalan.
Ini
Okey.
question 1. Sorry, sir.
Okey. Salah soalan ini. Okey.
Sorry,
Sambung soalan.
sorry, sir. Okay. Provide 5 objective of financial and cost accounting. Okay, first objective of financial accounting is compliance with statutory requirements. One of the objectives is to ensure compliance with local laws related to the country where the business is related to the country where the business undertakes. It's ensure that the business affair adhere to such a laws and relevant provision comply while business in conduct. Second objective of financial accounting is safeguarding of interests of various stakeholders. It provides suitable and relevant information related to business operation to various stakeholders such as shareholders, prospective investor, financier, customer, and creditors. They are not just appropriate for those who are having existing business relationship, but also for those who are interested in having future collaboration with the business by providing them with meaningful information about the business. Third objective of financial accounting is helps in the measurement of profit and loss of business. It measures the profitability of the business for a particular period and disclose the net profit or loss of the business as a it also exhibits the asset and liabilities of the business. Fourth objective of financial accounting is focus on external transaction of business. It's focus on a transaction with the business enters into with external parties, which can be customers with suppliers and etc. Based on this transaction, the accounts are prepared to quantify the business cost, incur expenses, and resultant profit or loss gain. Last, for objective of financial accounting, periodic reporting and wide availability. Financial accounting is undertaken with a pre-specified periodic reporting period, which is usually quarterly, half year, and annually. It enables easy comparison and also keeps the information relevant and informative for various stakeholders. Next, five objective of cost accounting. First objective of cost accounting is ascertainment of cost. It enables the management to ascertain the cost of product, job, contract, service, or unit of production, so as to develop cost standard. Cost may be ascertained under different circumstances using one or more types of costing principle. Second objective of cost account is fixation of selling price. Cost data is useful in the determination of selling price or quotation. Apart from cost estimate, the cost accountant analyzes the total cost into fixed and variable costs. This will help the management to fix the selling price, sometimes below the total cost but above the variable cost. Third objective of cost accounting is cost control. The object is to minimize the cost of manufacturing. Comparison of actual costs with standards reveals the discrepancies, variances. If the variances are adverse, the management enters into investigation so as to adopt corrective action immediately. Fourth objective of cost accounting is matching cost with revenue. The determination of profitability of each product, process, department, and etc. is the important object of costing. Lastly, the objective of cost accounting is special cost studies and investigation. It undertakes special cost studies and investigation, and these are the basis for the management in decision making or policies. This will also include pricing of new products, construction or expansion programs, closing down or continuing the department, product mix, price reduction in depression. So thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Fad. Ada soalan tak? Any question to Fad? Ada soalan? Ada soalan untuk Fad? Okay, Fad, back semula yang tadi tu, you punya daripada slide pertama. Okay, next lagi soalan nanti saya nak tengok yang kedua ni. Okay. Yang tadi question 1 ni. Okay, next. Okay. Lagi. Okay, yang ni biasanya saya memang tak minta student buat dalam essay. Dia memang kena buat dalam table. Sebab ni baru foundation, dan bila dalam ayat macam ni, kadang-kadang kita tahu macam nak tak nampak dia punya comparison. So in future untuk foundation level ni semua guna kotak. Sebab ni tak faham. Okay, next. Okay, next. Ini objektif. Okay, lagi. Next. Section 3, next. Okay, so then the row lah. Okay. Slide presentation. This time around, untuk slide saya bagi markah slide. 3. Okay, untuk 3 over 3 over 5. And then untuk presentation better than Anis. Sebab ada elaboration walaupun nampak macam membaca tadi. Okay, saya bagi 4. So in total 7 out of 10. So Fad pun score Fad untuk hari ni ialah 7.
Terima kasih, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Any question? One question, one bonus mark. Belum ada orang yang soalan. Okay, jom kita continue. Jom. Okay.
Kita nampak ke?
Saya pakai wanita ini, Siti Aisyah. Siti Aisyah. Okay, nampak?
Okay, so saya akan jawab soalan 1. Definition dengan differences of financial accounting and cost accounting.
Boleh.
Okay, so for the definition, there are 2 accounts, which is financial accounting and cost accounting. For financial accounting, the definition is concerned with the provisions of information to users and reporting of the performance result and financial positions of the business. While the cost accounting is concerned with the accumulations of accounting information for a company's internal users, such as operation managers and also supervisors. This is done in order to help run the business more efficient and effective. And now I'll be elaborating on the differences. So the first difference is for the objectives. So for financial accounting, the objectives is financial performance. This means financial accounting provides information about the financial performance and also the financial positions of the business. While for the cost accounting, the objective is 2, which is cost control and decision making. It provides the information which relates to the ascertainment of cost to control and also for decision making about the cost. For data recording, financial accounting, it records historical data, while the cost accounting, it is not specific, which means the reporting period is determined as per need, or can be said as it record, for cost accounting, the data recording is historical, current, and future, which means it records historical data, the present, and also the estimated or budgeted data. It makes use of both the historical, current, and future, and also the predetermined cost. For the time period, financial accounting, it is prepared yearly for a definite period, usually a year. Meanwhile, for the cost accounting, the time period is not specific, which means the reporting period is determined as per need or prepared as when required. And lastly is the analysis of cost and profit. For financial accounting, it shows the whole organization's analysis, which means it shows the profit or loss of the organizations in a whole. While the cost accounting, their analysis of cost and profit is, it provides a responsibility account, which means the details of cost and profit of each products, process, job, and contracts of each account. That is it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Aisha. Okay, I open to the floor. Any question to Aisha? One question, one bonus mark. Okay, Aisha, can you show your slide presentation while waiting for your friend to prepare their question? I will review your slide presentation. Okay, jump Aisha. Okay, anyone to ask? You will ask Aisha. Okay, for your slide presentation, I'll give you 4. Okay, better than the other 2. And then your presentation is lebih sikit pada FAT actually. Better than FAT lah for me, is I'll give you 4.5. So in total dapat 8.5 over 10. 8.5 over 10 to Aisha.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so better than FAT and better than Anis. Don't worry, this one is your first presentation. Don't worry. So you akan ada banyak lagi presentation. So maknanya kita akan improve from time to time. Okay, Aisyah 8.5 over 10 presentation. So nanti saya akan check dia jawapan yang betul salah tu, nanti saya akan bagi markah lain lah bila you submit you punya video dan slide you. Okay, next. Tak ada soalan saya rasa. Next presenter. Afika Mahsuri.
Can I go first?
Okay, I go second.
Okay.
Mahsuri. Kita ada international student dari Thailand. Mahsuri. Keturunan Mahsuri. Saya saja suka membaca. Okay. Boleh? Ini Mahsuri. Kita punya Mahsuri. Unique yang Mahsuri. Okay, jom.
Okay. I want to present question number 1. Okay, firstly is definition of financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of preparing financial statements that companies use to show their financial performance and position to people outside the company, including investors, creditors, suppliers, and customers. These transactions are summarized in the preparation of financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement that record the company's operating performance over a specific period. Next is definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a process of recording, analyzing, and reporting all of a company's costs for both variable and fixed that related to the production of a product. This is so that a company management can make a better financial decision, introduce efficiencies, and budget accurately. The objective of cost accounting is to improve the business net profit margins, like how much profit each dollars of sale generates. Next, differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. First, in relation to information type, for financial accounting, it records the information which are in monetary terms. Meanwhile, for cost accounting, it records the information related to the material, labor, and overhead which are used in the production process. Next is users. For financial accounting, users of information provided by financial accounting are internal and external parties like creditors, shareholders, customer, and etc. While users of information for cost accounting provided by users or information provided by the cost accounting is used only by the internal management of the organization like employees, directors, managers, supervisors, and the others. Next, for time of reporting, for financial accounting, financial statements are reported at the end of the accounting period, which is normally 1 year. For cost accounting, the data provided by cost accounting are frequently prepared and reported to the management. And last but not least, for profit analysis, profit analysis for financial accounting such as income, expenditure and profit analyzed together for a particular period of the whole entity. Meanwhile, for the profit analysis generally analyzed for a particular product, job, batch or process. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much Mak Suri. Okay, untuk subjek ni ya, kita ignore semua English punya isu ya. Grammar semua tu kita ignore. Sebab kita tak belajar English, kita belajar costing. Jangan tanya Excel ada S tak ada S tak apa. Okay. So kita belajar costing ni, bukan English. Okay, maksudnya itu tak memberi impact kepada markah lah. Okay. Tapi mungkin sikit-sikit lah, mungkinlah macam sebutan tu kita nak baiki sikit-sikit tu okay. Ada soalan? Any question from the floor?
No, sir.
Satu soalan, satu bonus mark ke tak ada ya? Okay, saya ada satu soalan. Okay, Mahsuri. Okay, you stated here financial accounting users is your customer. Let's say you open your own business and then your customer tu is your user of your account. Okay, why? Contohlah kan, why she need your accounting report? So you stated financial accounting ni customer you nak guna. Case dia ialah you buat business and then customer you nak dia punya accounting report.
Because they want to they want to look whether they want to be whether they want to buy from us or not.
Maksudnya bila contoh you buka business, then you buat account, full set of account ni. Lepas tu tiba-tiba customer you minta, boleh tak dah tengok account tu? You bagi tak?
Because they want to look for our stability company.
Ni customer you nak beli contoh you tudung kan, customer you beli tudung, sebelum I beli you punya tudung ni, I nak check you punya account dulu. Macam tu ke?
Maybe they want to know about our company. No? Salah. Bukan
Customer kan, regular customer itu kan. Contohnya, contohlah kalau you buka business, you jual tudung, simple business lah, ataupun you buat jual burger ke, tiba-tiba you buat full set of account, sebelum orang beli burger you, customer you minta you punya account report. Contohnya kan. So saya rasa cuba elakkan yang customer ni dekat financial accounting ni. So dia macam confused.
Okay.
Dia mengconfusekan. Mungkin customer ni kalau macam customer besar, yes. Maksudnya kalau dia nak beli, tapi jaranglah customer minta account report ni.
Alright. Okay, sir.
Kecuali certain lah, ada jugalah, tapi untuk foundation ni jangan confuse lagi, nanti master degree baru you confuse. Tapi memang customer tu external user juga. Cuma itulah soalan tadi, case tadi tu. Soalan dia yang tu. So mungkin kat situ confused. You mungkin boleh keluarkan new customer ni daripada you punya user of financial accounting.
Okay, sir.
Dia memang user. Tapi bila kita tanya soalan tu tak, ya ke tak, ya ke tak. Kalau vendor, kalau banker, yes. Orang banker, orang kreditor kita, vendor yang supply barang ke kita, sebab dia nak tengok akaun kita tu, kita ada duit ke tidak. Bank pun nak tengok juga. Tapi customer kita, jarang kita bagi account report kita. Nanti dia tahulah kita punya profit, untung berapa, rugi berapa. Okay. Tak salah, tapi kadang-kadang dia bagi, dia confuse-kan dia.
Okay, sir.
Mungkin waktu degree nanti baru big customer you, dia punya main customer you. Mungkin dia nak buat collaboration dengan you ke, dia banyak. Sebab cost accounting ni dia tak ada restriction apa-apa. Tiba-tiba you punya customer, jom kita collaborate, kita buat. Tapi anda tahulah you punya account ni stable ke tak stable ni. Business you okay tak? Sales you okay tak? Sebelum dia collaborate dengan you. Itu higher level sikit lah. Untuk foundation, okay je. Dia simple. Okay, satu soalan.
Okay.
Okay, thank you Maksuri. You punya presentation ni, dia lebih kurang cepat juga. Dia background okay, tapi dia punya dalam tu lebih kurang flat. Okay, yang first tadi, better you buat macam point form.
Alright.
Baru kita faham sikit. Okay, you punya presentation lebih flat lah. Tapi sebab you flat okay sikit, so saya nak 3.5. Presentation pun 4, so you punya mark 7.5 over 10. 7.5. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, may I go first?
Yes, I go second.
Yeah.
Okay, itulah Afika.
Can you see my slide, sir?
Yes, I can see your slide. Yes.
Alright. Wait.
I will show you.
Yes. Alright. Assalamualaikum. So I'm going to present the question number 1. Firstly,
before that, Afika, our top scorer sekarang ni Aisyah with 0.5.
Oh, okay.
Our best presenter today is Aisyah, 8.5, so be better than her. Okay? Okay, go.
Alright, okay. Before we start for question number 1, we need to know the key difference between the cost accounting and financial accounting, which is financial accounting is focused on issuing financial statements to outside parties, while cost accounting is inwardly focused on management decisions. Question number 1, which is define what is financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of assessing and analyzing business transactions and producing financial statements that reflect a company's financial health or its performance. This process includes recording, summarizing, and reporting a company's business transactions. Next is the definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a process where they document, analyze, summarize, and study the company's cost spent on any process, service, product, or anything else in the organization as a business activity. This helps the organization's cost controlling efforts as well as strategic planning and cost cutting decisions. Okay. There is the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting. Firstly, in the terms of objective, financial accounting provides information about the financial performance and financial position of
which is through statement of profit or loss or statement of financial position. Meanwhile, objective of cost accounting provides information which relates to the identifying of cost of control costs and for decision making about the cost. Secondly, in the terms of audience, financial accounting has shareholders, financial analysts, investors, creditors, and more. Meanwhile, the audience for cost accounting is internal management at different levels, which is managers. Next, financial accounting only records historical data, while cost accounting records historical costs, presents an estimated data, which is predetermined budget. Lastly, for the time period, financial accounting, it is prepared usually a year, while cost accounting required. All right, that's from me. Thank you.
Okay, any question from the floor? Any question from the floor, ya? Ada bonus mark hari ni. Okay. Soalan ya, soalan tu Dina. Dina, other than manager, who is under, kalau the group ni, who is under the internal management group ni, other than a manager? Can you give me some of other example selain daripada manager? Dekat audience ni, for cost accounting.
Employee. The employee.
Okay. Maybe you can give 3.
Internal management, owner, sir? The owner of the company.
Okay. Owner, employee. Tadi apa?
Employee, owner.
Okay.
And maybe supervisor.
Dan lain-lain lah. So internal management ni, internal management ataupun you buat internal staff. Internal management and staff, internal staff and management. Dia bila di situ misal internal management ni macam pihak pengurusan sahaja. Tetapi ramai yang akan guna cost accounting punya information ni. Data cost accounting ni, figure costing ni akan ramai akan gunalah, termasuk supervisor dan lain-lain. Okay, second question ya. Adila, can we prepare do macam you data kat sini, time period usually a year. Can we prepare it on a monthly basis or quarterly basis for financial accounting?
Cannot, sir. I think cannot because it is for definite period, a year, for a year.
Okay. For financial accounting, biasanya kita akan prepare normal company, kita akan prepare account bulanan. Hujung bulan kita akan buat closing. Dia cakap usually a year. Memanglah sebab kita buat audited report ke atau semua. Kalau company kalau sembilan berhad company, kita akan prepare a year kita guna financial report. Tapi kita still ada monthly account. Ini kita boleh prepare quarterly account juga. So usually a year, yes, that one is official. Yang unofficial, kita ada monthly account, yang kita ada quarterly account. Okay.
Kalau monthly account tu, sir, dia for small company ke macam mostly company?
It depends. Kalau ada yang small company tapi dia punya accounting document dia, accounting record dia banyak, and then dia willing to pay extra untuk ada staff buat ke ataupun dia outsource kepada orang luar, and then it can be like monthly punya. It depends on the company lah. Kalau small company, kalau medium normally ada dia monthly account. Kalau tak complete pun dia ada yang simple simple SOPS, simple SFP yang dia buat. It depends. Yang kita yang based on kalau based on regulation, enterprise company setiap tahun you kena submit income tax form, tax return. Kalau senang berhad, you kena submit you punya audited financial statement, you kena prepare audited financial statement bagi ke auditor, account you to the audit dan juga prepare tax. Itu requirement. Tapi on monthly basis tak ada requirement lah for you to prepare. Tapi biasanya kalau medium company lah adalah monthly account tu. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you punya score. Back to your slide tadi, masih tengok sikit. Slide ni masih tidak boleh mengatas Aisyah lah. Aisyah still the best. Okay, so you lebih kurang maksuri. So, you punya presentation pun lebih kurang 5 juga. Dan juga Anis, bukan Anis yang the first one tadi kan. Slide ni, I'll give you slide 3, presentation 4. So 7/10 lah. 7/10.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Tak apa, next time kita ada lagi. Jangan risau.
Sir,
May I?
saya ada nak tanya
Yes.
tapi saya risau saya dah tanya.
Okay, soalan dia.
Yang dekat cost accounting audience tu, internal management at different levels.
Okay.
Saya ada tanya ke?
Dah tanya tadi. Soalan you ialah nak suruh explain more ke macam mana?
Explain macam siapa users tu. Is it owners, employees tu lah? Oh, okay.
Internal owner ke banyaklah internal staff, employee, union tu tak sangatlah. Banyak lagi lah dia punya contoh-contoh lain. Macam employee tu kita boleh pecah lagi lah. Employee tu kita boleh pecah kepada operation orang, operation pusat apa kita boleh department ke pun boleh juga. Okay, kita punya last presenter. Jadilah.
Sekejap ya, sir.
Okay. Oh, tadi siapa tanya soalan tadi?
Aisyah.
Aisyah. Okay.
Okay. Nampak ke, sir?
Nampak?
Okay, so today I would like to present question number 1. So there is 3 questions in this question 1. First, we need to define financial accounting. Second, define cost accounting. And the last one is give 4 differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. So financial accounting, we're gonna look what is financial accounting and how it's work. Financial accounting is a process of recording, summarizing, and reporting the myriad of transactions. It summarizes the financial statements, balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Financial accounting works as follows, either the accrual basis or the cash basis. And the non-profits, corporations, and small businesses use the financial accountants in their company. And financial accounting report always occurs using financial statements in 5 distinct areas, which is financial statement, and the last one is statement of change in equity. Financial statements used in financial accounting, and the term in the financial statements is revenues, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. Okay,
Now we're gonna look on cost accounting. Cost accounting is used by a company's internal management team. It identifies all variable and fixed costs associated with the production process. The first process is measure and record these costs individually. Second, compare input costs to output results to aid in measuring financial performance. And the last one for the process is making future business decisions. So there are 5 types of costs in cost accounting. The first one is fixed cost. It's done vary depending on the level of production. And second one is variable cost. It's tied to a company's level of the production. And the third one, operating cost, is associated with the day-to-day operations of the business. Fourth, direct cost, specifically related to producing a product. And the last one of types of cost is indirect cost. Indirect cost cannot be directly linked to a product. And next, okay, this we will look on the differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. First, the purpose of financial accounting is to keep the complete record of the financial transactions. Meanwhile, the cost accounting is to reducing and controlling the cost. Second, information type of financial accounting to record the information which are in monetary terms, while the cost accounting records the information which is material, labor, overhead that used in the production process. The third one, time of reporting financial accounting. The financial statements are reported at the end of the accounting period, which is 1 year, while the cost accounting details provided are frequently prepared and reported to the management. And the last one of the differences financial accounting and cost accounting, profit analysis. The income, expenditure, and profit are analyzed together for a particular period of the whole entity, and the cost accounting profit analysis is for a particular product, job, batch, or process. That's all from me.
Okay, thank you Dalila. Any question from the floor to Dalila? Ada soalan kepada Dalila?
Me, sir.
Okay, siapa nama? Dina.
Adi.
Okay, Dina. Okay, question to Dalila.
Dekat cost accounting ni, yang overhead tu apa contoh dia?
Di mana tu?
Dekat
You are referring to
Information
which?
type.
Okay,
information type.
Yeah. Material, labor, dan overhead.
Okay, contoh overhead, production, office and administration, selling and distribution, and more. Dapat ke Dina?
Dapat.
Overhead ni sebenarnya overhead ni kalau bahasa pasar dia ni cost lah. Cost selain daripada material, selain daripada labor, dia part dekat overhead. Overhead ni biasanya terms ni digunakan di kilang. Kalau di university, contohnya di High University, kita tak guna kata overhead tu. Kita akan gunakan ada cost ataupun cost. Overhead ni normally bahagian manufacturing, bahagian production yang akan guna. Okay, untuk kita, untuk yang nak senang faham lah, overhead tu is other than the cost, other than material and labor. Cost overhead tu bahasa dia cost. So kan nak paling simple lah, elemental yang paling simple sekali. Example tadi semua betul. Sales and marketing, admin cost, transportation cost, travelling cost, dan banyak. Okay, Dina satu soalan. Okay, next. Ada lagi soalan? Any question from the floor to Dina, to Dalila?
Sir,
Yes.
saya nak tanya. Yang inventory kan tak masuk kat cost accounting kan?
Cost accounting tak masuk dekat inventory, tak masuk. Okay.
Dia tak masuk. Dia tak masuk tu maksudnya dia masuk kat financial ke macam mana?
Inventory ni nanti kita akan go detail. You nak cerita pasal stok dalam stok ataupun you nak cerita cost kalau you jual barang, berapa cost inventory yang diguna. So ada dua option kat situ lah. So cost accounting ni kita tengok case dia nanti. Bila kita cerita pasal inventory cost tu lah, cost stock. Cost barangan dalam stok tu yang boleh dijual ke yang tak dijual ke. So yang tu biasanya kita tak masuk dalam pengenalan costing. Sebab cost tu mungkin stok tu kita tak guna lagi. Okay, untuk basic inventory ni kita belum masukkan lagi dalam cost kita. So dia bukan part of product cost tu sendiri. So kalau produk tu dia ada material, ada labor, ada overhead. So kita masuk inventory lagi. Inventory ni sendiri inventory maksudnya kat sini ialah mungkin stok yang ada dalam punya stok. Okay. Soalan lain?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Anis. Semua? Okay, markah ya. Dalila.
Yes, sir.
Slide presentation ni you tak guna contoh lah, mostly ada certain point ni you tak guna based on my slide. Okay, which is good. Lepas tu you punya presentation okay lah, lebih kurang Aisyah tadi lah. So I'll give you untuk you punya slide 4.25, untuk presentation you 4.5. So in total 8.75. So today you are the winner, presenter for today's presentation. Congratulations, keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Improve better untuk you punya next presentation nanti, chapter 2. Okay, the best presenter today is Dalila. Okay, kita rest first. 5 minit macam tu kita rehat, toilet break. And then kita sambung dengan kita punya kabut satu dan juga tutorial. Okay, kita rest dulu for 5 minit lah, 5 to 7 minit macam tu. Okay, kita rehat.
Apa? Yang keluar sini ada sini.
Ha?
Mana ni?
Macam mana? Saya tidak tahu. Okey, jom. Kita sambung kita punya tutorial. Tutorial ni more or less sama je macam you punya presentation ni.
Papa,
Okey, tapi sebelum tu, jom. Ya.
Papa tepi jap tepi lagi.
Okey,
Monitor lagi.
Okey, tutup.
Saya okey
Go,
tutup
go.
dulu.
Okey,
Okey, siap Papa.
dah. Okey. Okay, and this one. Ni saya buka saya punya drive. Okay, anyone with the link? Anyone copy link? Ini saya masuk link je. Okay, ni saya copy. Kalau ada salah, saya copy paste sini, ke sini. Klik info. Ni. Keluar. Saya masuk ni. Cuba test. Boleh tak? Okay, cuba test. Okay, done. Okay. Dekat sini, dalam ni you nampak ada tiga tak? A. Atau you can masuk quiz view, presentation, Kahoot dengan video. Satu ni apa? Dekat ni. Ni FMAF. Salah. FMAF. Match. Okay. Ini stand for apa ni? Kod dia. A atau B? B macam mana? Okey. Ni quiz. Ni quiz satu ada soalan ni. Okey, soalan, presentation kita masukkan. Presentation video. Masukkan. Ada Kahoot. Presentation ni ada video. Ni ada video ni. New. Contohnya 05. Ini 05. Q. Video. Slide presentation. Presentation. Slide presentation. Okay. Quiz, so kita ada quiz satu, slide presentation satu, Kahoot satu, tutorial satu, YouTube video satu. Okey, semua dah boleh masuk tak? Okay. Jom kita pergi dekat tutorial. Tutorial kita pergi sajalah sebab semua dalam slide presentation. Okay. And then after this kita akan buat Kahoot. Okay, this is your tutorial. Sama juga kalau dalam test quiz nanti, you klik macam ni lah. What is financial information? This one, financial information is concerned with the provision of information to internal and external users, such as the bankers and shareholders, as well as reporting of the financial performance result and financial positions of the company and the business as well. Okay, ni full set jawapan dia. Okay. The second one, invoice cost accounting. Cost accounting is concerned with the provision of information to internal users, such as operation managers and supervisors, in order to help run the business operation more effective and efficient. Ini dia jawapan ni. Give 4 differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. Sama juga macam you bilang sama lah. Objective dia, nature, data, uses of information, more or less the same. Give 4 objective for financial and cost accounting. Ini yang ni seperti itu. Yang contohnya ni objective is provide information about the financial performance. Kita boleh dekat SPL and the financial positions of the company. Kita tengok dekat SPL. So actually sama je macam ni presentation. Give 4 objective of financial accounting and cost accounting. Keep systematic record. Protect business property. To check the operational profit, the profit of the company, to check the financial position, and others. Okay. Identify 2 categories of users of accounting information, and give 5 example of each. Internal user, external user. Internal user, operation manager, officer, director, internal auditor, sales and marketing department, semua yang ada dalam internal company. External, current and future investors, suppliers and vendors, lender and bankers, external auditors and as well as the government. Ada banyak lagi, tapi kalau itu 5 sahaja contoh ni. Kenapa dia nak guna tu? For current and future investor, kenapa dia nak guna? Sebab dia nak tengoklah company tu okey tak okey before they invest dalam company tu. For the management, employees ni dia nak check lah whether bila dia nak masuk, dia nak join the company tu okey atau tidak. Mungkin company tu bila kita nampak lah, contohnya Berhad company Berhad, dan you check lah dia punya annual report sebelum dia masuk. Company ni profit tak? Dia ada bagi salary okey tak? Dia ada benefit okey tak? Kadang-kadang information tu ada dalam accounting, dalam account lah. Kena lender, banker and borrower, memang kena tengok lah dia punya account tu, you punya ability to settle amount lah. Kalau you apply loan dengan dia, kita tengok lah sama ada you mampu tak bayar seorang bulanan. Contohnya, okay, ni karakteristik ni dulu ada dalam syllabus, tapi yang ni dalam financial accounting ada introduction to financial accounting. Okay. Ini list and explain, understandable, useful, relevant, reliable, comparable, consistent. Yang tadi accuracy kan tadi. Okay. Yang ni nanti saya rasa you boleh refer juga dengan dia punya financial accounting punya information di situ. Okay. Yang ni jangan risau, saya akan bagi dia punya jawapan ni. Sebab saya tak check in detail satu-satu, kita tak discuss in detail satu-satu lah sebab dia redundant, dia akan continue pusing. Maksudnya kita discuss benda yang kita dah discuss sebelum ni. Tapi untuk you all, mungkin dalam test nanti kita akan bagi soalan macam ni untuk saya test you dalam test. Okay. MCQ, which of the following is not true about financial accounting? Cost accounting is a subset of financial accounting. Yang ni tak betul. Cost accounting is to provide necessary data to fix the selling price, to set selling price. Which of the following true about cost accounting? Cost accounting is used by management for planning and controlling operation. Ini saya baca jawapan lah kan, satu-satu. Cost accounting is used in both manufacturing and service-oriented company. Service-oriented company ni dia bagi servis ya, macam servis ya. Kita rambut ke, yang ada skill, yang menggunakan skill. Cost accounting can help management achieve all, but to lower the cost. Itu financial accounting yang bercerita pasal tax ni. Cost accounting kita cerita pasal tax. Which of the following statement best captures the state of the cost accounting theory? Okay, kalau kita pasal cost, kita kena follow teknologi. Sekarang ni banyak orang buat software costing, mana you boleh beli. Banyaklah software accounting, software costing yang mereka guna. Kadang-kadang teknologi change drastically, changing the way costs are measured. Ada orang dulu kita guna traditional cost system, sekarang kita guna yang modern punya accounting system. Cost accounting play a vital role in estimating the cost of a product and then pricing that product. Okay, yang ni kita nak estimate harga cost dan kita nak set dia punya harga. The following is the definition of financial accounting. Provision of information to users, reporting of performance result and financial positions of the business. The following are the internal user, except money lender. The following are the objective financial accounting, 1, 2, 3, 4, to keep systematic record, to protect business properties, to ascertain the profit or loss of the business, and to ascertain the net wealth of the business. This one is financial accounting. The main technique used in the cost accounting are, okay, teknik biasanya ada guna determination of cost and determination of selling price. Analyzing the financial statement is financial accounting. Existing management and decision making, kita tengok yang mana. Tapi kalau generally for decision making, management is financial accounting. Kalau assisting macam operation manager ke decision making, itu bahagian costing lah. Jadi general je, management je disebut. Okay. Which of the following is not the characteristic of useful accounting information is presentable? Ini yang dalam based on dalam buku lah. Actually presentable pun is one of the characteristic tapi bukan yang the top one. These user use accounting information to evaluate a report on the business borrowing capability. Financial institution ni bank kita panggil financial institution. But the main differences between financial accounting and cost accounting in relation to data recording is that financial accounting record the past data, whereas cost accounting record the present, estimated, budgeted, forecasted data. There are three major elements of cost except resources. There are material, kita akan baca pasal direct labor, direct material, indirect material, labor, direct labor, indirect labor, and then our expenses overhead lah, selain daripada material and labor, including production cost, office and admin, selling and distribution. This is your tutorial. Nanti saya akan share jawapan ini dalam Jibrat. Kalau nak baca tutorial ini. Okay, settle tutorial. Kita go through cepat-cepat sebab dia dah ada jawapan sebelum ni. This is your quiz. Quiz you boleh submit dekat sini lah hari ni. By today. Tak, saya buka quiz ni. Quiz ni dia macam panjang, ada 100. Ni Siti Aisyah dah hantar. Tapi macam mana? Saya nak check. Okay, boleh buat. Okay, semua soalan dia 100 soalan. Quiz you. Kalau you risau, you PDF kan dia tak apa. Sebab ni macam lain-lain dia. Ataupun saya buka dalam tempat lain. Nanti saya tengok. Kalau saya tak boleh nak checking ni nanti, saya buka balik. Mungkin bila saya buka kat sini, dia tak patut. Okay, ni quiz. Okay, so quiz you submit hari ni, slide presentation submit hari ni. Sekali lagi kita ada second kahut. Tutorial dah ada dalam ni, cuma jawapan saya belum bagi lagi. Tutorial ni, tutorial 1.
Itu contoh mau saya boleh lupa saya masa saya hari itu.
Okay.
Hari ini saya kedua sekali saya tak lupa
So ini sampai bagi jawapan daripada Yosran ni, tapi jawapan siapa ya? Nanti saya tengok balik lebih jawapan ni. Saya tak lagi jawapan dia. So ni semua yang ada dalam buku dengan Jitra. So saya ada dalam ni. Syah 2990 baru dia submit tutorial. Syah ni siapa ni? Aisyah. Ini tutorial 1 dia submit. Okay. So kita settle chapter 1. Okay, sekarang ni last sekali sebelum kita habis chapter ni, jom kita main kahut lagi sekali untuk kita end our chapter 1 ni. So saya buka kahut, kita akan main sekali kahut. Last ya, before kita end sebelum kelas ni. Saya tak tahu sama ada kahut ni sama ke tidak. Posting chapter 1 ni.
Mak. Kotak.
Hopefully soalannya sama lah. Saya tak tanya. Kalau soal sama, dia boleh dapat 10 ke 10.
Dia punya discount itu. Buang yang banyak.
Okay, cuba.
Bang kaki.
Itu dia tak berapa okey. Stop tu.
Ya ke? Okey dah bapa.
Jadi jauh saja.
Dia tak apa okey. Okay, jom. Okay, this is Kahoot punya game pin number. Kita try lagi sekali untuk kita warm up lagi untuk chapter 1. Okay, satu seorang ni. Aisyah, Fat, Mahsuri, Anis, Lina. Ada seorang lagi. Aisyah, Dalila. Dalila tak masuk lagi?
Dia tengah loading.
Okay, saya tunggu.
Ada bahasa Malaysia.
Sebab dia bos dia dah keluarkan J.
So, saya akan ambil makan yang better lah.
Aku susah sikit lah tak. Tapi untuk benda lain pula lagi. Sebab dia dah keluar amount yang...
Okay, jom. Okay, saya start. Saya tak tahu kenapa. Okay, jom.
Jadi sekarangnya dia tahu bagi di sekolah kat sini tu macam mana?
Okey. Apakah dia
Okay, question number 1. Basic objective of cost accounting is
apakah toko ini orang
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Dia sebenarnya kan berasa hati.
okay, ya. Cost accounting basic dia takkan profit analysis. Kalau profit per unit, yes. Tax compliant, bukan. Financial audit pun bukan. Tapi kenapa 5 daripada 6 orang?
Agak susah nak dia dah cakap pembatasan.
Okay, 20 second, lagi cepat lagi banyak markah. Biasanya kalau first kalau ni saya 1,000 markah. Kalau you jawab cepat. Next,
Tapi kena bayar sikit lah. Bagi
cost accounting concept include all the following except cost accounting kecuali
jadi banyak. Masalah jadi isu lain pula. Itu dia tak nak kan.
costing. Okay, profit sharing. Kita tak pernah cerita pasal profit sharing. So profit sharing ni, you nak share profit dengan siapa? Sharing profit. Tak ada. Cost accounting, planning ada, product costing ada, controlling, monitoring kan tadi kita cerita pasal yang contohnya assistant manager, dia checking, dia control, dia monitoring staff dekat operation, dekat plant. Tapi kita tak cerita pasal profit sharing. Profit sharing macam keuntungan syarikat. Share. So dia kurang. Okay. So Dalilah betul. Okay, next. Question number 3. A purpose of management accounting. Soalan ni saya short ni.
Nak bayar cuma diminta kurang kan. Kita tak bayar. Tidak kurang. Dia nak bayar cuma kalau dia amount dia kurang sampai dah. Kita dah boleh 45.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Management accounting ya. Management accounting. At bank. Tak at bank. Have supplier. Tak have supplier. Had investor pun tak have investor. Had manager. To make decision. Okay.
Nanti kalau tak dapat apa-apa.
So dari last day ni
Mana kat saya?
okay, question number 4. The purpose of financial accounting is to provide information for financial accounting, yeah? Financial. Pasal
Saya tak
accounting.
saya tunggu dokumen pada dia ni.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So profitability and financial position of the company or the organization. Okay. Still Dahila. Question 5, costing ni. Costing ya, costing. Ingat costing. Dia macam confuse sikit kan.
Oh, itu saya macam tu. Sebab memang saya memang bagi info dia kan sebab nak sudah masuk ke dalam tu.
Okay. Macam dia masuk acetate. Perkataan tu saya jarang guna lagi. Untuk chapter 1 ni.
Oh, sebab saya masa tu saya tahu kat apa yang tak tahu faham tak?
Okay, Dahlia still. Dia kena cepat menjawab soalan tu.
Memang
Question number 6.
Saya tahu saya fikir mungkin saya tak pergi ikut. Saya WhatsApp. Nanti saya WhatsApp. Tidak.
The role of the management international to the function of cash management. Okay, yang tu orang financial. Oh, kenapa dengan Dahlia jawab salah? So pity.
Itu saya tak saya tak perlu bila itu kadang-kadang sebab
Which phase best describe the best role of managerial accountant? Management accounting ya. Apa yang the best?
Stok tu sebab saya tanya pada tak dia tu macam dia
Best ya.
besar juga. Jadi macam nak tak tahu dalam siapa.
Okay, the best one is membantu, facilitate. Dia tak boleh make key decision. So management accountant ni dia di pertengahan. Bukan financial accountant. So itu financial accounting orang. Okay, so the best is facilitate.
Lepas tu nak spot system tu macam mana?
Okay, Dina sana, Anis naik. Okay, next. Question number 8. In management accounting, an emphasis and focus must be management accounting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, kenapa kita jawab you cash orient? Kita tak ada cerita pasal management accounting, kita tak cerita pasal cash lagi. Future. Budgeted, forecasted, plan. So Anis, question number 9. Listed below are all external users of financial information except external. Masalah lagi, kita tulis ni internal auditor. Okay, still Anis laju dalam menjawab, dia tekan cepat, dia makan tinggi. Last. Accounting system Siapa yang perlukan financial information? 4. Okay, semua. Owner perlukan, management perlukan, pihak pengurusan syarikat, kreditor perlukan sebab dia nak bagi barang. Maksudnya dia nak supply goods, dia takut kita tak mampu. So, jom kita tengok siapa the winner untuk second Kahoot. Number 3, Dalila. Number 2, Dina Afifah. And kita punya champion today is Anis. Congratulations Anis. Kat mana saya nak clap pun saya tak sure ni. Okay, thank you Anis. Nanti saya akan share WhatsApp group. Maka saya akan share dekat okay. So kita habis kita di chapter 1. Ada soalan? Chapter 1? Kalau clear, next week kita akan start dengan chapter 2.
Kau saya kan saya tahu saya ada idea.
So kalau tak ada, so anything dimasukkan hari ni dalam G Drive. Okay, saya pilih G Drive. FMAF ni, so you masukkan dalam quiz, slide presentation, tutorial YouTube. So nanti saya akan masukkan slide presentation ni, saya punya lecturer slide presentation. Jawapan saya akan masukkan dalam quiz ni lah.
Susah saya nak jawab telefon sebab handphone ni tak tahu.
Dan lain-lain lah, YouTube, video ni dah ada lah.
Kita tengok YouTube sebab
Tak ada lagi. Okay, sekejap mana pula jawab kita.
ya, saya pun sama. Dia cuma tak rakap.
Okay, ada soalan tak sebelum kita end kita punya kelas tu?
Sir,
Kita dah habis lah chapter 1.
Cuma guna handphone.
sir nak tanya. Nak submit yang dah siap bertanda atau yang belum bertanda?
Bertanda apa tu?
Marking.
Marking daripada siapa?
Marking. Maksudnya bila sir share jawapan tu, nak siap marking atau just hantar macam tu, tak payah marking tak apa.
Tak payah, nanti saya akan marking. Lepas tu saya tak masuk lagi jawapan tu. Saya marking dulu,
Okay.
baru saya akan pulang balik lah. That's why you
Thank you, sir.
boleh masuk dalam PDF, boleh you isi je dulu. Nanti saya akan print, saya akan bagi markah. Isi berapa. Tutorial tak ada markah. Quiz je lah. Satu markah sekarang dengan slide presentation you. Jawapan dalam slide tu betul ke tidak. Quiz presentation you. Okay. Soalan lain? Okay. Kalau tak ada, thank you so much. Till we meet again next week, Tuesday at 2 PM untuk second chapter, untuk chapter 2. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Salam, thank you. Sir.
Waalaikumsalam, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you then next week. Acu, kenapa acu?
Apa si quiz dia?
Quiz.
Quiz ke si top eh?
Untuk apa?